There are a lot of compounds you can use to help boost your testosterone levels and improve your prostate health. Sea moss is one of those compounds. And I wouldn't say compound, it's an actual plant, right? But before you grab any sea moss, there's some things that we need to go over. So sea moss is packed with about 90 essential minerals, making it, in my category, a superfood for men's health. I actually ran out. I got to go to the health food store and pick up some. So it's good for what? Prostate support. It's loaded with iodine, zinc, and other anti-inflammatory compounds that may help shrink an enlarged prostate. It will boost your testosterone levels. Why? It's high in zinc, and that's the essential mineral for natural hormone production and muscle growth. It will boost your erectile function, right? Because it improves circulation. It improves your oxygen flow throughout your body, and that improves performance. But there's a couple of things that you need to know first. First of all, you got to get wild-crafted sea moss, not the fake stuff. There's a lot of fake stuff out there. The best sea moss, it's wild-crafted, comes from the sea, from the ocean, and it's packed with natural minerals. It has more of a fibrous texture, not too thick or slimy. It has a slight ocean, like that salt, has a slight oceany, salty smell. It's not odorless, but it's very light ocean smell. The best sources to get sea moss is St. Lucia, Jamaica, and actually Ireland too. Avoid the pool-grown sea moss. It's too thick. It looks they all look alike, but it lacks the full spectrum of minerals, and usually they're exposed to chemicals while they're growing them, right? So before you start on your sea moss journey, too much sea moss can lead to excess iodine accumulation, and that affects your thyroid. So you got to be careful with that. Sea moss is a natural blood thinner, so check with your doctor if you're on some type of blood thinner medication. And you always have to buy wild-crafted sea moss to avoid any harmful toxins. If you can't get wild-crafted, then don't buy the sea moss. So let me give you a smoothie. Let me give you a quick smoothie. We get some sea moss, right? Wild-crafted sea moss, and we're gonna make this testosterone-boosting, prostate-protecting smoothie for maximum absorption. So you need a teaspoon of wild-crafted sea moss gel. You can get the gel, or you get the sea moss and you wash it, and you could cook it down into a gel. So take a teaspoon of the gel, 1 banana, energy, potassium, 1 cup of almond milk or coconut milk. Make your own almond milk. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, that boosts circulation. Half a teaspoon of honey for that's natural energy. And you could do a half a cup of blueberries, which are rich in antioxidants. You blend that all up together, and you will feel the benefits. Give it a week or two to kick in and really roll around in your body, right? Any type of supplements and herbs you take, you don't expect quick results like that. It's not a drug. It's not a prescription. Natural herbs usually take 7 to 14 days before you start to see the effects in your body, okay? Follow for more health tips and share this with someone who you think may need to add some sea moss to their diet.